Anger on the streets of Mutro in Myanmar's northeast. Protesters march for justice after a 38-year-old mother from the ethnic Karen community was shot dead by soldiers. The men then stole her jewelry. Members of the community accuse the military of rights abuses and want them out.
We want the UN and communities who have the power to put pressure on the Myanmar government to stop the use of violence to Karen and all ethnic groups in Myanmar, stop raping, killing and treating the villagers like animals.
Karen community leaders say the army is using coronavirus lockdown measures as an excuse to attack villagers.
Karen villagers have a problem of finding food. They can't leave the village as movement is limited. The Karen people can't move freely, but the Myanmar army can.
Karen rebels were among the last ethnic armed groups to sign a ceasefire deal with Myanmar's government in 2012, after more than 6 decades fighting for self-rule. Many Karen villagers were forced from their land during their rebellion, and many remain living in camps along the border with Thailand.
You need to recognize our indigenous people's right to land and resources, and instead of taking away these resources from us and displace us from the forest, they need to really protect the people.
The government says soldiers responsible for killing Karen civilians will be punished. But there are concerns whether proceedings will be fair and transparent. For now, protesters are pushing for compensation for a husband and 3 children who've been left without a mother. Barbara Angopa, Al Jazeera.